Why does your scanner show the P2465 engine code? What does it mean? P2465 is a diagnostic trouble code for particulate filter differential pressure too high, bank 2. The P2465 engine code indicate your vehicle's engine computer has detected that the exhaust pressure is significantly higher before the diesel particulate filter (DPF) than it is after it. This indicates a serious restriction in the exhaust flow. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Clogged DPF. Faulty DPF pressure sensor. Blocked or damaged sensor tubes. Exhaust leaks. Improper DPF regeneration. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, GMC, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.